Hello everyone. In this part we will discuss exercise 6.1 from ML Agarwal. In previous video we have completed from NCERT chapter number 4, that is simple equation. When you will read in NCERT chapter number 4, that time you will read in ML Agarwal chapter number 6, that is linear equation. Clear? Exercise 6.1 ML Agarwal. In question number 1, 6.1, solve each of the following equation. First part, x plus 6 equal to 8 means like find the value of x. Clear? In previous part I told you how you will find this type question. Clear? X plus 6 equal to 8 means x equal to transposition. Clear? Plus 6, there you will write, sign will be changed, minus 8 minus 6 equal to 2. Clear? One more part, third, four x equal to minus 6. Clear? X equal to minus 6 by 4. 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4. X equal to minus 3 by 2. X equal to minus 3 by 2. Clear? It is answer. Note down. Next one, fifth, 2i minus 3 equal to 2. Clear? Minus 3 transposition to 2i equal to 2 minus 3, there you will write plus 3. 2i equal to 5. Y equal to 5 by 2. It is answer. Clear? And in sixth part, 4 minus 5y equal to 2. Minus 5y here you will write, then 2 equal to minus 4. Minus 5y equal to minus 2. Minus minus cancel. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. 4 is greater than 2. Front of sign is minus, then you will take minus sign. Y equal to 2 by 5. Y equal to 2 by 5. It is the answer. Note down. Second question, solve the following equation. Question is, five in bracket x plus 1 equal to 25. First of all, you will open the bracket. When you will open the bracket, 5 will enter the bracket. From 5 do multiply. 5x, 5 1 is 5 equal to 25. Then 5x equal to 25 minus 5. 5x equal to 20. X equal to 5 4 is 20. Clear? 5 in bracket x plus 1 equal to 25. 5 into x, 5x, 5 1 is 5 equal to 25. Then 5x equal to 25 minus 5. Then 5x equal to 20. X equal to 20 by 5. 5 4 is 20. X equal to 4. Note down. Second you can do. Third one I will explain. Three x minus 1 by 4 equal to 11. Clear? You will do cross multiply. 11 into 4 equal to 44. Then 3x equal to plus 1. 45. X equal to 45 by 3. Then x equal to 15. Clear? see, one more time I will explain. 3x minus 1 by 4 equal to 11. Cross multiply you will do. 3x minus 1 equal to 11 into 4. 11 4 ja 44. Then 3x minus 1 equal to 44. 3x equal to 44 plus 1. Clear? So 3x equal to 45. Then x equal to 45 by 3. 1 divide 45 by 3. You will get 15. Note down. Solve the following equation and verify your answer. Question number 4. 3 in bracket x plus 7 equal to 18. 3 in bracket x plus 7 equal to 18. Clear? When 3 enter the bracket, 3 into x, 3x, 3 7 ja 21. 18. 3x equal to 18 minus 21. Minus 3, x equal to minus 3 by 3. 3 1 ja 3. Note down. Verify. 3x plus 7 equal to 18. Clear? Left hand side this and right hand side is 18. When you will put the value of x, after that if you are getting right hand side, it is verified. Clear? Means 3 minus 1 plus 7. 3 into 6, 18. It is right hand side is also 18. Clear? Means it is verified. It is verified. Note down. Third one. 3x minus 1 by 3 equal to 2x minus 1 by 2 plus 5. Then 3x minus 1 by 3 equal to 2x minus 2 by 2 plus 5. Clear? It is cancelled. 3x minus 1 by 3 equal to 2x minus 1 plus 5. And then x equal to 13 by 3. Note down. So this question is also 3x minus 1 by 3 equal to 2 in bracket x minus 1 by 2 plus 5. So first of all, you will solve the bracket. Here 2 into x 2x, 2 into 1 by 2 means 2 by 2 plus 5. 2 to cancel, minus 1. 3x minus 1 by 3 equal to 2x minus 1 plus 5. 3x minus 1 by 3 equal to 2x plus minus minus 5 minus 1 4 plus 4. Then 3x plus 2x here we will write minus 12. 4 minus 3 there we will write plus 1 by 3. X equal to LCM you will take. 3 4 is 12 plus 1 13 by 3. Verify. Clear? Put the value of x. Three cancel. LCM is 6, 26, 39 minus 1 by 3 2 3 is 6, 30, 8 by 3, 23, clear? So left hand side equal to right hand side is coming, means both are verified. Note down this. Verify means whatever your answer is coming of x, that value you will put in this equation. Clear? X equal to 13 by 3, x equal to 13 by 3 you will put here and solve it. If left hand side and right hand side is coming same, that is verified. Question number 5. Question number 5. Find the value of p if the value of x power 4 minus 3x cube minus px minus 5 equal to 23. If x equal to minus 2. If x equal to minus 2 is given. Clear? Find the value of p. Very simple. Put the value of x. Minus 2 power 4 minus 2 power 3 or minus 2 23. Clear? Minus 2 power 4 means you will do multiply by 4 times up to. Minus 2 power 4 means 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 2 ja 16 minus 3. Minus 2 power 3 means minus 8. Minus minus plus 2p 16 minus minus plus 2p 23. 16 plus 24 40 minus 5 35 2p equal to 2p equal to p equal to 2 6 ja 12. X equal to minus 2 given. In this equation put the value of x. Minus 2 power 4 minus 3 minus 2 power cube minus p minus 2 minus 5 equal to 23. 16 minus 3 minus 8 plus 2p minus 5 equal to 23. 16 minus minus plus 3 is 24 plus 2p minus 5 equal to 23. 24 16 40 minus 5 plus 2p equal to 23. 35 plus 2p equal to 23. Then 2p equal to 23 minus 35. Clear? Then 2p equal to minus 12 and p equal to minus 12 by 2 means 2 6 ja 12. P equal to minus 6. Note down. It is the last question of 6.1. It is completed. Note down. Exercise 6.2. First question. If 7 is added to 5 times a number, the result is 57. Find the number. Clear? So that number we don't know. Clear? Let the number be x. Let the number be x according to question. According to question, if 7 is added to 5 times a number, 5 times a number means this number, 5x plus added 7 equal to 57. 5 times, if 7 is added to 5 times a number, clear? To find the value of x, 57 minus 7, 50, then x equal to 50 by 5, x equal to 10, then x equal to 10, clear? means in 6.2 you will make equation and solution, both you will do, and in 6.1 equation is given only, find the equation. Note down. Second question, find a number such that 1/4 of the number is 3 more than 7. Clear? Second question, let the number be x. Clear? According to question, if 1/4 of the number means 1/4 of x equal to 3 more than means plus 7 means x by 4, 3 plus 7 10, cross multiply, x equal to 10 into 4. Clear? X equal to, see, question is 1/4 of number we have taken x means 1/4 of x equal to 3 more than 7, more than means plus 7, x by 4 equal to 10, then cross multiply, x equal to 40. Question number 3, 4, 5 you can do like this. 6 I will explain. Note down this. Question number 6 is find 3 consecutive odd natural number whose sum is 87. Odd natural number. Question number 6. Let the 3 consecutive odd natural number is x plus 1 x plus 1 x plus 3 x plus 5 whose sum means according to question x plus 1 x plus 3 x plus 5 equal to 87. 1 2 3 3x 3 plus 1 4 plus 5 9, then 3x equal to 37 minus 9 equal to 78. X equal to 78 by 3. 3 2 is 6, 3 6 is 8. X equal to 26. Clear? Number equal to means 26 plus 1 27, x plus 3 26 plus 3 29, 26 plus 5 31. Clear? Means we have taken 3 consecutive odd natural number x plus 1 x plus 3 x plus 5. Odd number means 1 3 5. Those sum you will do, sum means plus 87. 3x plus 9 equal to 87. 3x equal to 87 minus 9. 3x equal to 78. Then x equal to 78 by 3 means x equal to 26. Number is x plus 1. 26 plus 1 equal to 27. 26 plus 3 equal to 29. 26 plus 5 equal to 31. Clear? It is the answer. Note down. Question number 7. In a class of 35 students, the number of girls is 2/5 and of the number of boys. Find the number of girls. Clear? Question number 7. Total student in a class, total students 35. Clear? number of girls is 2/5 of the number of boys. Means let the number of boys be x, number of girls be 2/5x. Clear? According to question, number of boys plus number of girls equal to 35. Student means number of boys and number of girls. X plus 2/5x equal to 35. LCM is 1, 5. 5x plus 2x equal to 35. 7x equal to 5 equal to 35. Then x equal to 35 into 5/7. 7 5 is 35. X equal to 25. Clear? Asking number of girls. Number of girls equal to 2/5x means 2/5 into 25. 5 5 is 25 means 10 girls. 10 girls is the answer. Question number 8, 9 you can do. Clear? Question number 10. When question number 10 I will explain. Question number 11 you can do. Clear? Question number 10. Hina has only 2 rupees and 5 rupees coins in the purse. In all the she has 80 coin in her purse amounting to 30 rupees. Find the number of 5 rupees coins. Clear? The number of 2 rupees coins and number of 5 rupees coins we don't know. Clear? First of all we will write let the number of 2 rupees coins be x, number of 5 rupees coins be y. Clear? Or total number of coins means according to question x plus y equal to 80 rupees. Clear? X plus y equal to 80 rupees. Amount in her purse. ₹232. The amount in her purse 232 rupees. In 32 rupees, 2 rupees and 5 rupees, both coins, means 2x plus 5y equal to 32. Clear? After that, from equation first and second. From equation first and equation x plus y equal to 80, 5y equal to C. Both equation first you will do C. Means in equation first you will do multiply by 2. Clear? 2x 2y equal to 160. It is equation number 3. When you will do multiply by 2 in equation number 1, you will get new equation. That equation name you will give equation 3. From equation 3 and equation 2, do subtract. Minus 5 minus 2 minus 3y. 72 minus cancel. Then y equal to 72 by 3. Y equal to 24. Y equal to 24. And 5 rupees coin be asking, means number of 5 rupees coins be 24. Means number of 5 rupees coins is asking, it is 24. Clear? It is the value of y equal to 24. Means in this question number 11, you will do like same. Clear? You can do like this. Question number 12. Question number 12. After 12 years, I shall be 3 times as old as I was 4 years ago. Find my percentage. Let the percentage be x. Clear? After 12 years. When after is given, means you will do plus x plus 12. Clear? 3 times. Clear? According to question, 3 times as old as I was 4 years ago. I was 4 years ago. Clear? Then equal to 3 minus x minus 4. You go before, if telling, you will do minus. Means x plus 12 equal to 3x minus 4. Then solve it. X plus 12 equal to 3x minus 12, x minus 3x minus 12 minus 12 minus 2x minus 24. Minus minus cancel. X equal to 24 by 2, x equal to 12. Cancel. Note down. Question number 13, 14 you can do. 15 is the last. Two complementary angles differ by 20. Find the measure of each angle. Clear? Let the first angle be x, second angle (90 minus x). Clear? Second is 90 minus x. Clear? According to question, differ means x minus 90 minus x equal to 20. Clear? Then x minus 90 minus minus plus x equal to 20. 2x equal to 20 plus 90. 2x equal to 110. X equal to 110 by 2 equal to 55. X equal to 55 means first angle x means 55 degree. Second angle 90 minus x means 90 minus 55, 35. Clear? First angle is 55, second is 35. Complementary angle means when the sum of two angles is 90 degree, that is complementary. It is completed this. Thank you, students.